Good morning, Ashley and Austin. This is your math for Tuesday. We are still working on the grocery store flyers. So again, I've linked that flyer for Dylan's that I want you to go back and use to look at the items on there to do your assignment for today. Today we are going to talk about taking percentage off of something. So yesterday we talked about if you had a coupon and something was 25 cents off or 75 cents off, we talked about how to do that. Today we're going to talk about if you were given something and they said you get 10% off your item or you get 15% off your item, something like that. So today for your assignment, you are going to open up that Dylan's flyer. And again, that is in your lesson plan. The link is, you'll scroll down and the link will be right here. This one, the second one, I'll show you right here is the first YouTube video. That's where you click to watch these videos. The second one is the Dylan's video, or I'm sorry, the Dylan's link. So that's where you'll click to open up the Dylan's flyer. Once you open that up, it takes you to this page. When you get to this page, you are going to pick an item. I'm just scrolling through. This is how you scroll through to pick an item. Today, let's say I'm going to pick this butter right here. And the butter is $3.99. So again, use your calculators for this. So what I want you to do is you're going to go back and you're going to write down that you chose the butter and the price was $3.99. Now, when we're dealing with taking percentage off and you're using the calculator, this number right here, you have to turn into a decimal. So the way you do that is you just put a decimal point in front of the 1. So now it becomes 0.15. So when you're putting it in the calculator, we go back, we look, the butter was $3.99. So you would write $3.99 for your butter, and you're taking that times 15%. So in your calculator, you're going to put 3.99 times 0.15. That's going to give you a number. So I'm going to do that real quick. So 3.99 times 0.15 is 0.5985. We're going to, so you have to move the decimal point 2 places. So it would be 59 or 60 cents off that item. So now that you know that, you're going to put $3.99 minus 0.59, and that will be how much the butter will cost you after 15% off. So let's go through that again real quick. I am going to open up a page here for you guys to look at. I'm just going to open up a Google Doc real quick. So the way you would do that is you would do 3.99, push that on your calculator, hit the times button. So I'm going to put an X for the times button, 0.15. And then you're going to hit the equals button. That's going to give you an answer of 0.5985. Now, when I was saying we have to move the decimal point, that means this decimal point has to come back here. 1, 2. So we look at that 8, and that 8 tells us the 9 is going to go up. So it's actually going to be 60 cents off. Or if you don't want to worry about rounding it, you're just going to say 59. Whatever it is, it's only going to be 2 numbers left. You're going to get rid of numbers, so you only have 2 numbers left. After you have just 2 numbers left, like that, then you're going to come on your calculator and you're going to put in 3.99, hit the minus button, and then you can just put decimal point 59. Hit the equals button, and whatever answer pops up, that is your answer. That is how much the butter will cost you if it's 15% off. That's what you're doing today for your assignment. So here, your first one says pick one item from the store flyer and do 15% off. I'm going to have you do 3 different questions. This will be your first one. Your second one, you will pick a totally different item and you'll find 25% off. And then a third item and you will find 10% off. And I will write that in your Google assignment as well. So that is today's lesson. You'll have 3 of these questions, just like this one here, except it's going to change. The only thing that'll change is finding the percentage. I'll have you find one that's 10% off, one that's 15% off, and one that is 25% off. If you have questions, please let me know. I will talk to you guys later.